So let's open my ChatGPT account. And here I already have it. Chat.openai. Well, I'll be using the free version. I will not be going for GPT-4. I will be considering that example that I have written it in my Notion account. Let me check it out. Yeah. Okay, so this is the one. Be copying. So it is basically about blog post about productivity tips for busy professionals. Use a tone that's approachable, conversational, and inspirational. So here you can type first, as I said, act as a blogger. Hmm, as, act as a blogger, and each and hereby compose a blog post. Okay, let me use my Grammarly. And hereby compose a blog post about productivity tips for busy professionals. Use a tone that's approachable, conversational, and inspiring. Inspiring. So let's see what answer we get. As I have entered this prompt, it gave this one. As you can see, it have prioritized everything that you needed to for that prompt as a blogger. Prioritize like a pro. Here's a fellow busy bees. Hey there, hey there, fellow busy bees. Are you feeling like you are swimming against the tide, struggling like this sort of thing? It will provide. Now, if you want to narrow it, like a specific task, let's say, um, like if you want to narrow it, like at this point, at one, this point, I just need to prioritize prioritize my um, task. Sorry, prioritize my task. So just narrow the conversation. Or is the most important most important one. Now, based upon that, you can shortlist. As you can see over here, it has shortlisted these important things, prioritizing like a pro, master of art of time block, take regular breaks, stay organized, then practice mindfulness. Blogger is a role model, okay, and here blogger is a role model, and hereby compose a blog post about productivity tips for busy professionals. Like you are a blogger, you so you have entered the role model. This blogger is the role, and this one hereby compose a blog post about productivity tips for busy professionals. It is basically the task of that blogger, the task, whatever task you want the chat GPT to do. This is the task of that blogger, and hereby use a tone that is approachable, conversational, and inspiring. Okay, so conversational and inspiring. So it is just like a humanoid voice structure. To make it so you can do further things like you can type over here make make it more formal. Make it mm, make it just like informal. Okay. Or you can do one thing is make make it more formal and engaging. Okay. Make it more formal and engaging. Like if you want engaging. So let's see if what it will provide. It have So as you can see over here, of course, here's a refined version of the formal yet engaging tone. Here I am narrowing my conversation. Okay. So here what I'm doing is I'm narrowing my conversation. Always, whenever you will be writing your prompt, there will be a whole bunch of things about writing prompt, like specific things that you actually need for your work. Okay. So now uh, let's say most important ones. It is the most important ones. So these are the most important ones. Now, based based upon that, write, uh, write, write an email, write the every employee that I will send to the every employees. Every employees of hey, oops, sorry, every employees organization. Now, based upon that, write an email that I will send to every employees of our organization. Now, based upon that, write an email that I will send to each and every employees to every employee based upon our organization. And 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 with that, just prioritizing. Yes. So as you can see over here, I am narrowing it down, and from each and everything, I'm narrowing it down. Always focus on narrowing it down. It will provide a whole lot of things. So you need to narrow it down. Okay. Um. So it have provided this entire thing. Now, if you want your email to be a bit short, it is a bit longer email. Let's say you make this email shorter. Make this email shorter. See, it have made this email shorter. So that basically you can say a cold type of email. Okay. So this is just a one example. There are tons of it. In our next video, we'll be considering many examples, and I'll be bringing up to you so that you can understand how to actually write and how to actually write prompts in ChatGPT. We'll be considering many topics. We'll be considering many examples, and based upon that, how to actually write prompts in a basic way. That is it. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.